So I guess we are live right now. So let me first just share the link. Okay. So looking at it from okay, just share the link in our Telegram channel. Okay. So it's time to roll. So I've already marked Nifty and Banknifty daily support and resistance. Just like yesterday, it is still in between itself. Nifty is showing quite a bullishness, but let's see, 17,300, 200 all are a very good resistance points. So we can expect a reversal from that particular point. Okay, so anyway, our daily resistance is going to be, sorry for the background noise. Okay, anyway. Okay, daily resistance is going to be 17,350 to 17. Hold on a second, guys. I'm tired of these guys. Yeah. Anyway, sorry for the background noise. So Nifty's daily resistance is going to be 17,350 to 17,330, which is a 20 points resistance, and daily support is going to be 17,050 to 17,070. Okay, so that is also going to be a 20 points support. So above this resistance you can go for a buy, and below this support you can go for a sell, and also in the reversal near the resistance you can go for a sell, as well as in the reversal on the support you can go for a buy. So in live, if these if the index is performing those kind of scenarios, we will be giving you the call in live also. Okay. Okay, now talking about Banknifty, just share this screenshot in our Telegram channel, so people you can mark those levels in your chart also. So I'm just taking a screenshot and I will take this chart. So Nifty Okay. Now talking about Banknifty, let's see. So talking about Banknifty, 36,700 to 36,780 is going to be the resistance, which is an 80 points resistance for today. And talking about the support, it is going to be 35,820 to 35,900, which is another 80 points support. So inside this you can avoid trading, and you can expect reversals at the support and the resistance, and on the breakouts you can take trades also accordingly. Okay. So anyway, I'll just share the the screenshot of Banknifty's daily level in our Telegram channel. Please give me a minute. So Nifty's daily levels and Banknifty's daily levels has been given in the Telegram channel, so you can open it and mark it on your chart also. Okay. Now let's jump on to some stocks where we can take some intraday trades. Let's see. Okay, we have got some stocks for a 15-minute breakout. Let's see if we can pick some good stocks with a good volume. Okay, let's pick Z is pretty good. Not yet on Z. GWG broadcast Titan is also good stock. Okay, Titan, we missed the entry. Our entry price was around 2,639. It is right now at 2,714, which is way too much. Yes, almost 2.9%. We are sticking with 0.5% targets, so which is fine. So we'll open NSE and see if we have any stocks. Okay. Oh, the volume is good. Okay, Tata Motors is in the run, I think. We have added Tata Motors yesterday in our watches, but we haven't got an entry. Anyway, let's see. Still, there is no entry here. So Tata Motors, this was our range yesterday. We have told that above that you can expect a reversal. I think at this point I told you guys to buy for a swing. Yeah. If you would have bought it at 420 levels, now it is at 430, 434 level, almost 10 points. Like almost 1 to 2% up, which is not bad for a BTST, right? Yeah. What other stocks? Let's see, Reliance. Axis Bank yesterday we got an entry. Yeah. We're not getting good stocks, I guess. Yeah, Grasim we can consider for a trade, but not now. Let's say when. I'm going to add it in my watch list. So Grasim has been added. Oh, JSW Steel is there, right? Yeah. Okay, so JSW Steel and Grasim is what we picked for intraday, but still it has not been triggered. So Knox stocks has been given a perfect sale. I see. Tata Consumers is also in the top 10 list. Okay, at last we got a good stock. The Tata Consumers, get ready for a trade. I'll tell you when to roll. Okay, Tata Consumers, you can sell below 766. Okay, you can short it below 766. So once it is crossing 766, you can short it with your SL as 771.5. So if it is closing above 771.5, you can consider it as a stop loss, and you have to only enter if it is crossing below 766. Okay, so I'm not going to give this in Telegram. Those who are watching live, you can have it. Okay, so if it is closing above the resistance, I'm going to give that update on Telegram. Okay, this is a short side. Let's see what has happened. So we have a kind of a shooting star over here, and if that low is getting broken, and as well as it is also rejecting our resistance, so that is our two confirmations, and we can take a trade. Okay, so Tata Consumers, please leave it on track. That is below 766, you can short it. So you can give it on Telegram also. Some problems with my phone. Yes, I'm having some network issues on my phone also. Okay, given the update in Telegram also, as you can see, Tata Consumers short sell below 766, only, with SL as 771.5. Okay, and suppose if it is closing above the resistance, it is going to be a very good trade. Why? Because as you can see, if it is closing above the resistance, which is on 771.5, you obviously are going to take trade around 771.5 or maybe 772. Your SL is going to be only below 770. So it is like only losing like 1 to 2 points in a 700 rupee stock, which is good, right? Which is a good risk management. So Shady Hustler and Karpasamy, hello bro, welcome to the stream. Good morning. And let's see whether we have any other trades left. So Nifty, Banknifty, it is kind of, it's kind of calming down. So it's better you don't take any trades in Nifty and Banknifty. Okay, so it's now not showing very good sign to take a trade. Not saying up a specific side. It's not a good idea to trade at all as of now. Okay, so the gap up is there, and also there are some kind of candles are forming. The resistance is nearby. There's a lot of things to watch. The first 15-minute candle high has been broken. So if you are seeing all those things, you will be confused whether to take a buy side or a sell side in Nifty. So as of now, my advice is don't trade as of now. Let it reach our support. If it is reaching our support, there are two scenarios which is happening. One, it is reaching the support. Two, the gap has been filling. Okay, so we can expect a reversal, and if it is reversing also, we can take trades in a very good quantities, right? And also if the support is getting broken and as well as the gap is getting broken, then we can take another sell side trade also a little bit more confidently. So waiting in the market for a better entry is one of the most hardest thing to do. Okay, so let's follow that first. So markets are really slow. It's kind of a lazy markets today, but we have our strategy and we have our conditions to follow. So if these conditions occur in the market today, we are going to take a trade, or else we are not going to take a trade. No profit is equal to no loss, which is fine because we are intraday traders, right? So intraday traders, that it doesn't mean that we have to trade each and every single day. If we have an entry, we will be taking a trade and we will be exiting the trade in that day itself. That is our skill. Okay. So for the past, I think this week we haven't had a complete day loss, because even if we have made a profit, we will be recovering in that day itself. Because we, as you guys know, those who have been following our Telegram channel and our YouTube live, you guys know that we don't take more than 2 or 3 trades a day. So if 2 stop loss gets hit, we will be stopping, or if 2 targets get hit, we will be stopping. That is our, risk management and money management is everything when you are trading, especially in trade. Let's see if we get any entry. What about Tata Consumers? Okay, Tata Consumers is going up. Okay, you have to watch one more thing, that if it is closing above 771.30 or consider 771.50 itself, in a 15-minute time frame, if it is closing above, you can go for a buy in Tata Consumers. Okay, with a stop loss of very minimum stop loss that is below 770, which is, you're going to lose around, I guess, let's see, only 0.1 to 0.2% is what you're going to lose, and you're going to aim for 0.5%, which is completely a very good risk reward ratio, right? So talking about Grasim also is going up, so we have to wait for the confirmations to happen. Talking about JSW Steel, as you can see, there's already a resistance in previous, I think on 11th March and as well as on 14th March. That 670 to 673 range was acting as a resistance before. So as you can see, our daily resistance is also around 672.85. So we can expect a reversal at that particular point if JSW Steel is shooting up to that level. Anyway, let's see. It has been taking resistance on 670. As you can see, there are many kind of rejections. There's almost 4 rejections in today itself. So anyway, let's wait and see. So Tata Consumers, it is slow, man. Come on, dude. So if you have any other stocks you really wanted to trade for intraday, please leave it in the chat box so that I can analyze and I can give it to you, or maybe we can add it in our watch list and trade together too. So the people who have been watching the live, if you really like the live and the content which I am sharing, please do leave a like and also leave your thoughts in the comments below. And you can ask any kinds of intraday trading support, doubts, or even the stocks which you really wanted to analyze in the chats below. So that is why I am here. I will be clearing it ASAP. So the people who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I will be leaving the link in the chat box. So you can click and join. This is our only channel. Okay, we will be giving all kinds of live updates. And one more thing, guys, if I'm unable to go live in YouTube, I will be going live in Telegram. Okay, audio live, not video live, audio live. There is one more thing I really wanted to say to you guys. I'm planning a new group for traders. That is, you have to open an account under Enrich Solutions, that is a brokerage firm. So if you are opening through my link, you will be added to another group, maybe Telegram or WhatsApp. I think both. Yeah. So I will be giving you special updates in that regarding our strategy only. There is no other kind of updates which I'm going to give, because I have been following this strategy for almost 2 years, I guess, and I'm quite comfortable with that only. I don't want any strategy other than this, that is even if someone is coming and saying it is going to give you buy sell 100%, no, I don't want it. I have my strategy, I have my rules to follow. I'm comfortable with the losses I'm facing, I'm comfortable with the profits I'm making, so that is enough, right? So regarding our strategy, we will be posting a little bit more updates in that Telegram channel rather than the the usual Telegram channel which we've been giving around 1 to 2 updates. So in that you will be getting around 2 to 3 updates each and every day regularly. But in this a common Telegram channel, you will be not getting that much updates. Okay. So I'll just leave the link in the chat box as well as in the Telegram channel, and also as well as in the description of this video. So you can click that and you can open. That is one of the best broker I've been trading recently, which is a new broker. It is quite a good, and the support which they're giving is the main thing, man. The support means you can have every kind of support. You'll be having almost one-on-one sessions also with them if you have any doubts in opening account or any account problems or anything. And also they are having different classes also in different languages. That is on, I guess, some Telugu they have based on commodities, which the ordinary brokers, they don't take those kind of classes. They just have some Nifty, Banknifty levels, that's it. But they take around many energy commodities, agriculture commodities, like that. Many classes they provide for you for better and new education purposes. Okay, I'll just take the link first. Give me a minute, guys. So I left the link in our Telegram channel, as you can see. Okay, this is our Telegram channel. So I'll just copy that link and I'll paste it in our live stream also. How to draw intraday support and resistance. It's based on the better thing for drawing intraday support and resistance is, one, you can look for the previous day resistance, that is the previous high. Okay, as you can see, you can consider this. Okay, and you can take a trade in that kind of thing. Right above it you can go for a buy, and if it is showing some reversal you can go for a sell. So previous day high is going to be a very good resistance for the upcoming day if you are an intraday trader. Okay, but if you ask me how am I drawing, it's based on my self-coded indicator. As you can see, the indicator name is GWG, daily zones, and GWG weekly zones. Weekly zones, it doesn't work that much, and that is why I'm not using. It works, but it doesn't work on intraday. It works better on swing trading only. Okay, so I use it for analyzing swing trades also, and also I mix it with EMA, which will be more comfortable for me. And if I teach you guys, I think some of you will also be comfortable with mixing EMA with it. Okay, so anyway, let's get back to our trades. Tata Consumers is not giving any sign. GWG, Russell, Nifty, Banknifty, nothing. Okay, I guess there's no trade running, man. Okay, so the trade plan which I gave it in Tata Consumers is all I have right now, because I don't see any more trades running in, or I don't find any other stocks also running in. Okay, so I guess I'll end my live. So live is maximum up to 20 to 30 minutes, so that is a good time. So we don't have much stocks to analyze, and the index and Banknifty, man, they are too boring. As you can see, yesterday also it was very boring for the whole day. As you can see, it was in a complete range, and this range was broken, but it was broken with a huge gap up. So that is also another problem to watch out for. So again, it is inside this kind of a range. Even Nifty and Banknifty both. But Nifty yesterday, at this range, almost around 3 o'clock, it broke the daily range. So if you have bought an BTST, you would have been in very good profits, I guess. So anyway guys, that's it for today. Always you can add Tata Consumers and please trade accordingly. Below 766, if it is crossing now rather than going up, if it is going down and crossing 766, you can short sell it with a stop loss of around 771.3 or 771.5, which works better, right? And suppose if it is not going down, if it is closing above 771.5, then you can go for an intraday buy with a stop loss of very minimum stop loss of that is 770. So it is going to be around 0.2% stop loss, and if you are taking a short sell, it is going to be around 0.69, which is almost 0.7% stop loss. So that is going to be a big stop loss if you are going for a short sell in Tata Consumer. So always remember to take your quantities minimum. Okay, and if you're having like 0.2% stop loss, it is better to roll with good quantities, right? Because the losses are very minimal. Okay, so JSW Steel and Grasim, it doesn't. I don't think that it is going to work out for today. Because the rejections are way too much. And Nifty and Banknifty, as I given the levels in the Telegram channel also, but it's kind of boring right now. Nifty and Banknifty. So I think I'll take a break, I'll take a nap, and I'll come back and I'll give some updates. So at least that time, let's expect that Nifty and Banknifty is going to give some movements. Okay. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you have any doubts or if you have any complaints or anything about the video or live I'm presenting, please leave it in the comments below. And if you really like the content which I'm sharing, please show some love in the name of likes and comments. So see you tomorrow. Until then, bye and take care.